Hey guys, welcome to LexzaiVlogs. Today I'll be teaching you how to use VLC media player to for screen recording. So let's begin. Here is the navigation tab for the VLC, but today we are going to do more of open capture device. So now I'll click open capture device, then I will select desktop as the capture mode. Then for the desired frame rate for the capture, I'm going to use 10. I'm going to use 10. Okay, so then on the so you are going to click convert so as to be able to choose the file quality. I'll be using MP4 so as to get the best results. So now I will select MP4. Okay, sorry. So now I will also choose the destination file, which means where I'll be saving the video now. So I'm going to choose there's recording there already, but I'm going to choose desktop. So I'm going to save it as my first VLC recording. Then I'll click on save. Then after doing that, I'm going to click on start. So now let's test what we've been doing since. I'm going to type on Microsoft Word. So okay, hello guys. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video. Okay, sorry, this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So after doing this, I'm going to close Word. We don't need to save it, just so after this you are going to click on stop, then you close. Now this is the recording on desktop, so I'm going to play the file now. So my first trick of VLC recording, as you can see. So now look at what I typed the other time. So it is already showing. Okay, so in order not to waste our time, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and expect more of these. Thank you so much. Bye.